The Sun versus Earth. It sounds like a fight, but it isn't. It's a matter of scale. The Sun is not just bigger than Earth. It is 109 times wider. You could line up 100 Earths across its surface and still not cover its full diameter. In terms of volume, more than 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. 1 million worlds, stacked, compressed, consumed by heat. Earth weighs about 6 septillion kilograms. That sounds massive. Mountains feel permanent. Oceans feel endless. But the Sun contains 99.8% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Earth is not a rival. It is orbiting matter inside the gravitational reach of something vastly larger. The Sun burns at over 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. Nuclear fusion happens there every second. Hydrogen atoms collide. They fuse into helium. They release energy. That energy travels outward for thousands of years before finally escaping into space as light. Every second, the Sun releases more energy than humanity has produced in its entire existence. 1 second, solar flares erupt with the energy of billions of nuclear bombs. Coronal mass ejections launch plasma millions of kilometers into space. Magnetic storms twist and snap on the Sun's surface. If one of those storms hit Earth directly, power grids would collapse. Satellites would fail. Navigation systems would shut down. The Sun doesn't need to aim. It only needs to flare. And yet, Earth is still here. Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Since then, it has endured asteroid impacts powerful enough to end species. It has survived global ice ages where oceans nearly froze. It has survived volcanic eruptions that darkened the sky for years. Life collapsed. Life restarted. Again and again. The Sun provides light. Without it, Earth would freeze into a dark sphere of ice. But the Sun also threatens. Too much radiation and the atmosphere strips away. Too much heat and the oceans evaporate. Too little energy and life disappears. Earth survives in a narrow band of balance, a thin orbital line between destruction and survival. The distance between them is about 150 million kilometers. That gap is everything. Light takes about 8 minutes to cross that distance. 8 minutes separate warmth from extinction. Move Earth slightly closer and temperatures rise beyond survival. Move it slightly farther and the planet freezes. The fight isn't about power. It's about positioning. The Sun dominates gravity. Its mass holds Earth in orbit at nearly 100,000 kilometers per hour. Earth cannot escape. It is locked in constant motion around a star that outscales it in every measurable way. But Earth has something the Sun does not. Structure, oceans, atmosphere, continents that shift, life that adapts. The Sun burns hydrogen. Earth grows forests. The Sun emits radiation. Earth shields itself with a magnetic field. The Sun is raw energy. Earth is fragile stability. One solar flare could disrupt civilization, but Earth has endured billions of years under that same star. The Sun is powerful, but Earth is persistent. This is not a fair fight. It never was. The Sun controls the system. Earth survives within it. Without the Sun, Earth dies. Without Earth, the Sun continues unchanged. Scale decides the winner. Mass decides the winner. Energy decides the winner. But survival tells a different story, because despite the imbalance, despite the radiation, despite the storms, Earth is still here, still orbiting, still alive, and in cosmic terms, that might be the real victory.